Hello guys. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Please like and subscribe and follow us as we're gonna present to you nice recipes. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare fluffy pancakes that can be enjoyed in the morning with jam, honey, butter, or simply a cup of coffee. This is a quick recipe and it requires very minimal ingredients. You're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose baking flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a cup of milk, 1 medium egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a pinch of salt or sugar, but this is just optional. So in a clean bowl, add your 3 cups of flour and make sure that the cups are leveled and the right measurements are done here. And then I'm gonna put aside the flour and start preparing your wet ingredients. So in a bowl, you're gonna mix your melted butter and your full cream milk preferably, guys, and your egg with the yolk and your vanilla essence. These are all your wet ingredients that you can just add together in the smaller bowl. After that, just mix them well and add to the flour. For the flour, make sure that you add your baking powder, most important ingredient. It'll give your pancakes a nice fluff. And yeah, mix well. At this point you can add your salt or sugar to your preference, but I didn't. I just started adding gradually the wet ingredients to the flour. Make sure that you stir and consistently, and make sure that the dough does not have lumps or just for that, just gradually add the wet ingredients to the bowl. Stir your ingredients together and make sure you reach a nice watery consistency of the flour. And then you can just start by preheating your pan on the stove. Make sure it's non-stick, preferably, because it gives you nice texture. Add your dough to your pan gradually, and make sure that the pan, when you add the dough, it evens out throughout the pan to avoid lumps. And you can do it at your preference of thickness. You can have them like thin or thick. Yeah, I love mine thick, so yeah. And then put on back the pan to lower the heat and put the pan and just wait until you see bubbles on the edges of the flour. Then you can know that the one side is golden brown, and you can start flipping your pancake over after 10 to 15 minutes. And this is how it's gonna come out, nice and halfway there. Do the same on the other side, and yeah, you'll be ready for serving. This is how it's gonna look like. Please guys, enjoy. Thank you.